Hi everyone, and welcome to the EHY Technology Committee YouTube channel. We are going to use this channel to share out quick tips, tricks, and strategies to implement in the classroom. The first item that we would like to share out is called blind carbon copy emailing. This is something that you may use frequently, or if you were like me, received emails like it before, but had no idea what it was or how to do it. Blind carbon copy emailing is used when you want to send an email to a group of people, but you don't want everyone to see who else you are sending it to. For example, if I wanted to send an email to all of the parents and guardians in my class, but I didn't want each person's email to show for confidentiality reasons, I would use blind carbon copy emailing. Or if I didn't want people to hit reply all and have everyone receive their reply, just me, I would use blind carbon copy emailing. So to do it, first start a new email. Next, put in your email address in the to field. At the end of the to field, you'll see BCC, which stands for blind carbon copy. Down here is where you're going to write everybody else's email. So I'm going to put in, my home email, comma, let me put in Jamie's. Okay. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of the email like I would any other email. And then I'm going to hit send. Now you're going to see up here, I'm going to get this email. So here it is. And once I open it up, you'll see that the only person that I see on it is me. I don't see anybody else on here. So no one else's email pops up or anything. So that's it. We hope this helps, and if you have any ideas on future videos you would like to see, please feel free to contact any member of the Technology Committee. Have a great day.